Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a milkshake with ice cream. Start with the essentials. You'll need about 2 cups of your preferred ice cream, 1/2 cup of cold milk, and any fun additions like chocolate syrup or fruit. Make sure your blender is clean and ready to go, and chilling your glasses beforehand will keep your milkshake perfectly cold. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and delicious start to your homemade treat. Now for the fun part. Carefully scoop your 2 cups of ice cream into the blender, followed by the 1/2 cup of milk. If you're adding syrups or extracts, pour them in now. Secure the lid firmly. Begin blending on a low speed to break down the ice cream, then slowly increase to a medium or high speed until the mixture is smooth and creamy, which usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds. The perfect milkshake consistency is all about personal preference. If your milkshake is too thick, add milk, 1 tablespoon at a time, and blend briefly until it reaches your desired pourability. For a thicker shake, add another scoop of ice cream and blend until smooth. Remember, a little adjustment goes a long way, so add small amounts and reblend until it's just right for you. Your delicious homemade milkshake is ready. Carefully pour the creamy mixture into your pre-chilled glasses. For an extra special touch, top it with a swirl of whipped cream, a sprinkle of your favorite toppings, or a bright red cherry. Serve immediately to enjoy the optimal coldness and texture. This quick and easy guide ensures a delightful treat every time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.